He was born in India, but he spent a significant portion of his medical career in West Virginia.
Today, a well-known doctor became the nation's drug czar, and he could bring lots of help to the Mountain State. 13 News chief political reporter Mark Curtis has more.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Dr. Rahul Gupta was sworn in today as the director of the Office of National Drug Control Policy, informally known as the nation's drug czar. His appointment comes as the nation has logged more than 100,000 drug overdose deaths in the past year during the COVID-19 pandemic.
I want to state that the challenge to save lives has never been greater.
Dr. Gupta served for years as the director of the Kanawha-Charleston Health Department and then became the state's public health officer. Gupta's access to President Biden, especially on opioid issues, is considered crucial.
Absolutely. Between him and Senator Manchin, I figured that both of them will have the presidency here on a whole host of issues. And I think West Virginia can only benefit by having the presidency here in that regard.
The Appalachian region in general, and West Virginia in particular, have among the worst overdose death rates in the nation. Many state lawmakers say they need to focus on a mix of prevention, law enforcement, and treatment when they meet for their next session in January.
We have to collaborate, and that's the biggest key. No one individual is going to be able to fix this problem. We have to find ways to come together as a community, as families, and as a state to try to help these people.
We need to be able to put forth a place where people can go, get significant treatment over a period of time.
One of the biggest problems now is the increase in heroin-laced fentanyl, which makes it much more deadly. There is a call for more policing, especially with all the drugs being trafficked into the Mountain State. But critics say we simply can't arrest our way out of the opioid problem. At the federal courthouse in Charleston, Mark Curtis, 13 News, working for you.
In all, Dr. Gupta spent a decade working in public health in West Virginia. He is the first physician to be the nation's drug czar.